Welcome to this video where we'll delve into a common problem that can arise when working with different cultures in .NET programming. The problem occurs when a website uses the current culture of the user for displaying data, and a user from Vietnam accesses the data. Let's explore why this problem happens. The solution to avoid this issue lies in understanding how string comparisons work in different cultures. By creating comparers based on specific cultures, such as NUS and 6VN, we can see how the sorting order can vary between different cultures. This variation in sorting order can lead to mismatch results when retrieving data from a sorted dictionary. To further illustrate this point, one can force the use of NLS rather than ICU in .NET 5+ by adding a specific configuration to the project file. By doing this, we can observe how the behavior of string comparisons changes based on the culture settings. This change in behavior can have a significant impact on the outcome of sorting operations and data retrieval. Even when a comparer is cached, such as in the case of comparer string default, the behavior can still change based on the current locale. This unexpected behavior can lead to issues when working with sorted collections, as the sorting order may not align with the expected results. Understanding how the cache comparer functions can shed light on why the search may go wrong despite the caching mechanism in place. In summary, navigating the complexities of culture-specific string comparisons is essential for ensuring consistent and accurate results when working with sorted collections in .NET programming. By grasping the nuances of culture-specific sorting orders and comparer settings, developers can effectively address potential issues related to data retrieval and sorting operations. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!